Welcome to Australia, a land of endless adventure, stunning landscapes, and unforgettable culture. Begin your journey in Sydney, where world-famous landmarks meet vibrant waterfront life. In Melbourne, discover coffee culture, historic streets, and delicious Aussie classics. Drive along the Great Ocean Road, one of the most breathtaking coastal routes in the world. Dive into the Great Barrier Reef, a natural wonder filled with colorful marine life. Meet Australia's unique wildlife. Just remember to keep safe distances and respect nature. Taste the flavors of Australia, from a classic backyard barbecue to iconic treats like Pavlova. Stay sun-safe, use public transport apps and book tours early for a smooth and safe trip. From vibrant cities to natural wonders, Australia is an experience like no other. Are you ready for your first adventure?